Here I have Samsung Galaxy F13, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So firstly you have to connect your device to the computer by the USB cable, and after you do it you have to turn it off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on and you can see a Samsung logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. So after that you will enter a secret menu in which you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option wipe cache partition. Then confirm it by selecting yes, and after that, after you see the line cache wipe complete, just select the first option reboot system now and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.